All right, we're going to start doing CAD 28. It's chapter 5, number 7, the extruder base. This one is metric. All right, so let's go up here to new. Metric. Standard millimeter IPT. Grab that one, create. All right, so we look at this thing and it's a little complex, not terrible. We'll do the base first. All right, start 2D sketch, and I'm gonna pick top view. Don't forget, it always skews it to the side for whatever reason. All right, so our base is 42. Tab. Our height is also 42, so it's 42 square. All right, now I'm gonna grab all of this and just kind of. Now I want it centered on that, so I will run this other dimensions. So pick that, divide by 2. All right, one more to go. Now they're all linked. If this one changes, it changes everything else. If this one changes, like say this one went to say, I don't know, 55. See, everything changes. Well, let's put it back where it was at. 42. There we go. That allows you to change design without having to go back and change every single little thing because they're all linked together. All right, so we got a chamfer and some radiuses, 2 chamfers and 2 radiuses. So chamfer, and they're set to 4 and 3. All right, so we got 2 different distances. 4, 3. See? Hit OK on that. All right, now these are going to be fillets, so we'll change this back to fillet. And those are going to be 5.5. And that's got those 2. Now, we've got circles. All right. And they are all 3.2. And they're going to be 31 over. So copy. Base point. And you could do precise input, but I'm just going to drag them over close and then do a dimension. That was close. All right, so that's got the base. And we got this one big hole in the middle. It's a diameter of 21. And it's right in the center. All right, so we're set for diameter, so 21. All right. So finish that sketch. All right, now we're going to extrude. I'm gonna go the other way. We're gonna go underneath. 4. All right, so our first part is good. Now, we're going to get the first part that goes across. And I'm just going to come up to the top once again. And I'm going to draw a rectangle. And that's going to be 9.7. And that's going to be 4. Let's see if I can drag that a little bit. Man, it's not going to go, so here's what I'll do. I'll just project that and then trim. And I'm going to do the same thing down here. But with extend. There we go. Okay. So we got that. Now, we got to extrude it. And it's going to come up. Total of 15. We've got to subtract 4 from that. So 15 minus 4. Wait, okay. Now, can't have that hanging over like that. All right. So I'm going to do see all your object options. Okay, I'm going to create a sketch. And I'm just going to project geometry and I'm going to pick that face. There we go. Now, finish. Extrude. Pick 2 and pick this face. And it fills the hole. And there we go. Alright, we got some chamfers on this. So come over here to chamfer. Right there. Click that. Set that to 5. You're going to pick that end, that, and hit OK. And that's got those. All right, last thing is going to be this little piece that goes on the front here. So we'll just pick that face. All right, and it is 15 over to the center of the hole. So I'm going to do a line and just straight through. Make sure it says 90 degrees, and then I'm going to dimension that. And that needs to be 15. All right, that's the center of my little thing, okay? Now it's 12 wide, so I'm just going to do a rectangle. It goes to the top of this and do that line. Whole thing's 12. And there we go. All right, so that's got my general shape. Now, it's 10 to the center of the hole from here. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a line. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 10 from the bottom, so let's make that 6. There we go. All right, so we got that. Now, our hole is here. It's a diameter of 4. And then we got lines coming this way, 45 degrees. Well, it helps you hit line, doesn't it? I'm just going to shoot them up here. Like so. All right, we'll finish that sketch. So there's our basic sketch. Okay, we want that to go back to here. So we'll extrude. And this to here. Right, okay? And there's our shape. All right, and that's it. That's all there is to that one. So we will save that. It's CAD 28. And export it. So file, export, PDF. And it says CAD 28 on there already, so all we have to do is hit save. All right, that's it for that one. I'll see you for the next one.